Making everyone happy is our #1 priority, so when someone takes the time and writes us an awesome 5-star review complimenting our great service, we'd love to share it. Here's what they had to say. This kind of feedback is so important to us because it lets us know we're doing a great job for everyone, and that just motivates us even more to keep providing the best service we can for years to come. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in return, we receive incredible loyalty. See and you'll be amazed. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can call us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.